Hello everyone and welcome. So I found this technical drawing of a knot which intrigued me. I modeled it and this is my drawing. In this orthographic projection you can see four views. This is the front view, that one's the left side view, and that is the top view. And here the isometric view. So the front view corresponds to a view from this direction, the left side view from over here, and the top view, well, from the top. Those circles you see here in the top view correspond, that one corresponds to this, that one to that one over there, and this one right here. We have 2 dimensions. D is 5 millimeters, the diameter of that sphere, that circle that will serve for the sweep path, and another variable called RAD, which is calculated by taking the variable D plus 0.05. Okay, and this is the radius of that arc. And that distance, that straight distance here, is 2 times D. The distance between two center points here is 2 times R, or RAD. And finally, we have that 2 times D, that another straight part of that knot here. Well, maybe you want to pause the video and try this for yourself. And my solution is like this. First, I will define the variables and take this D and give that a value of 5 millimeters. From that, I'll define a variable RA, and from the drawing, we take that formula, or that expression, D plus 0.05. Okay, so there we have the two variables, D and RA. Now from the drawing, I will just take that top view, and I think I can model the whole knot based on that top view. So I will start that sketch on the top plane and draw that top circle attached to the origin. So let's give it that dimension D. Next, well, I'll make that construction geometry and continue with a straight line from here down. Press my mouse button and continue with another line segment. And that helps me to define 2 parts of this distance. The first one is RA, and the second one is 2 times D. All right. So now I'll continue with placing those two circles here from the top view. First, I'll align those horizontally to each other. Then I'll give them an equal dimension constraint, and the same thing for that initial circle. I'll press X to make these as well construction geometry. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll continue with a line, straight horizontal line. And again, from the drawing, I can dimension that with 2 times RA. There it is. Now, I will place one point on this line right at the midpoint there. And that way I can place it on that line. Okay. Now I will draw that next line from here over there. Again, that has 2 parts, 2 segments. It starts with RA and finishes with that 2 times D. All right. Now let's connect those 2 center points. And well, first we can apply a perpendicular constraint between those. And we can dimension the length of that distance with 2 times RA. All right, and that makes our sketch fully constrained. And I'll pull it out a little, make it more readable. And based on that, I will now define the profile of my sweep curve. So let's start with this section. I'll go into the plane at angle, take that and apply an angle of 90 degrees. And start a sketch on that plane. I press P and can project that first segment, that line. Then I'll go into the tangent arc here. Okay, like this. And apply a vertical constraint here. And sure enough, we know that this has to be RA. Okay, first segment is done. Now I will draw that half circle here from this point to over here. For that, again, I will construct a plane at an 90-degree angle and start sketching. So that is a 3-point arc here, starting here, going over here, and I can connect that straight part here. Sure, apply a vertical constraint to that, and a tangent one as well, right? And then a horizontal constraint between those two endpoints of that arc, and that constrains this sketch fully. All right, I exit that one. So we started here, we went down there, we get around here. And now let's take model this section, this half circle. So again, plane at angle, that one, 90 degrees. Create that sketch, take that 3-point arc, connect that over here, connect that there, drop that here, and place that on that line, fully constrained. Great. And well, one more time. Or actually, we can take that plane we get right here. So create that sketch. Take the 3-point arc here. That here. Now let's find that for the coincident relationship, let's find this point here. Again, apply a vertical constraint here and continue with the line here. Apply that vertical thing here, fully constrained. We'll finish the sketch. Hide all planes. Let's have a look at those sketches we get. We can hide the sketch number 1, and that'll be our path for the sweep. So let's define that plane. Plane along path, that's the path up to that endpoint. All right, then create a sketch there, and that'll be a circle dimensioned with a D. Finish that, and now let's go into the sweep. Take that profile and just pick all those lines and curves from our sketches. If you prefer some different color, on that LED green, yeah, that's nice, huh? So let's have a look at that. There's the top view, there's the front view, there's the right side view, isometric, and that's it for our knot. I hope you like this video, and I see you in the next one.